Welcome to this shortwave radio channel. And so we have Dan Robinson that has a lot of video reviews and a lot of course, posts on the shortwave listening blog. But he has always been very active in the radio sphere, and we see his name pop up here and there. He's got a YouTube channel, and I want to share his YouTube channel so that if you want to check it out, he's got a lot of radio videos here, and it's a very interesting channel to check out. And he's been posting different videos of different things. So, for example, his latest post is talking about the PL330, multiple bandwidths and recalibration and so on. He's got all sorts of videos of different radios that he owns. So why not check this out? Because it's a very interesting channel, I think, to check out. And I think everybody might be interested in his content. He has a lot to say about radios, and he has a lot of experience in all sorts of details of reviews and information. And if there's something to talk about on a radio, he's going to be the guy to talk about it. So I'll post a link to his YouTube channel in the description below the video. If you enjoy what you see, why not subscribe to his channel and enjoy some interesting videos that are posted over there with all types of radios, from older tabletop and older receivers to brand new radios that he's been testing. So check that out. I think you'll be interested in the content here. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.